Today, we're tackling a burning question many of you have asked. Can I DoorDash in another state? This inquiry might seem simple at first glance, but there's more to uncover once we delve deeper. To start, let's understand the basic premise of DoorDash as a platform. DoorDash is a food delivery service that allows individuals to order food from local restaurants and have it delivered to their doorsteps by Dashers, the drivers for DoorDash. Now, to the heart of the question. Yes, you can DoorDash in another state, but there are a few nuances to consider. When you sign up as a Dasher, you're typically assigned to a specific starting point, usually the closest available region or market near your home address. This doesn't mean you're restricted to only dashing in that region. DoorDash has a feature known as Market Change Request. This allows Dashers to request a change to their starting point, which can include moving to a different state. The process is relatively straightforward. You need to access the Dasher app, find the option to change your region, and then select the new area where you wish to dash. This can be useful for those who are moving or those traveling and wishing to DoorDash while being away from home. However, it's important to consider the logistics. Each market might have different demands, peak times, and promotions. Adapting to a new market might require some learning and adjustment in your dashing strategy. Additionally, DoorDash operates based on local demand and partner restaurants, so the availability of dashing opportunities may vary significantly from one state to another. Moreover, there are practical considerations such as knowledge of local roads, customer preferences, and hotspot locations, which can impact your efficiency and earnings as a dasher in a new state. In conclusion, you can absolutely DoorDash in another state, but it requires a formal process to change your designated starting point through the app, and there are various factors to consider to ensure it's a successful endeavor. It underlines the flexibility and opportunity DoorDash offers to its dashers, allowing them to work virtually anywhere there is demand on the platform. Thank you for watching. Remember, opportunities with platforms like DoorDash provide great flexibility, but also come with their own set of challenges and learning opportunities. Whether you're dashing in your home state or exploring new territories, understanding the dynamics of your new market is key. Safe dashing, and see you on the road.